the mantra which we had to take up, the UttaraShada mantra. UttaraShada mantra is the 19th nakshatra that we had to study. The nakshatradipati is Surya, actually is called as Ravi. There's a subtle difference between these nomenclature, so we have to take the name Ravi as the nakshatradipati. And the color of UttaraShada Nakshatra is white, and the Devata is the Vishwe Devatas, the Adi Devata is Apaha, and Pratyadi Devata is Vishnu. So the mantra, which is Purana Vakya, or where the Devatas of the UttaraShada Nakshatra is invoked through the personification of the Devatas as the nakshatra, the visible star. Tanno Vishve Upashunvantu Devaha Tadashadha Abhisayantu Yajnam Tannakshatram Prathatam Pashubhyaha Krishir Vrashtir Yajamanaya Kalpatam. This is the Purana Vakya. Then the Yajya mantra is Shubhrah Kanya Yuvatayas Supeshasaha Karma Kritas Sukruto Viryavati Vishwan Devan Havisha Vardhayanti Ashadha Kamamupayantu Yajnam. So that is the Yajya mantra, or the mantra once we have invoked the deity to the Yajna Kunda, that is how they are honored. So this mantra is for getting nourishing timely rains, and also for getting plenty of food. So in UttaraShada Nakshatra, the rains that come, because nakshatras are also associated with rain, and when in the UttaraShada Nakshatra rains come, the crops that are nourished by that water actually give plenty of food. So who can give plenty of food? It is the set of devatas who are the presiding deities of UttaraShada Nakshatra, called the Vishwe Devatas. So the mantra is saying the devatas of UttaraShada Nakshatra, Vishwe Devaha, these Vishwe Devatas, may they come to the Yajna altar and grant us all our desires. So the Vishwe Devas, here in the Purana Vakya mantra, that is in the invocatory mantra, we are saying, may those Vishwe Devatas listen to us very, very closely and then listen to our entreaties. Because a lot of times, even if the person from whom we want a favor is right in front of us, and what we speak is very much within their range of hearing, still they may not pay attention to that. And therefore sometimes we have to tell the Devatas, you are here in front of us, but still you please listen. Please listen to us. And then not only that, you arrive with a favorable mood, with a favorable intent to our yajna, and please grant prosperity to all our livestock. And may the Yajamana of this yajna, who is actually worshipping you, Vishwe Devatas, through the nakshatras, for him in his fields, let there be abundant rain, plenty of crops. So not only plenty of crops and abundant rain, it also means that lot of wealth. So the nakshatra devatas of UttaraShada, please note that all the nakshatra devatas, Adidevata, Pratyadevata may be different. The presiding Rashi, the nakshatra adipati may be different, but the nakshatras themselves are feminine in gender. Because as we saw, they are all daughters of Daksha Prajapati, and this nakshatra actually are the Vishwe Devatas actually wed the UttaraShada Nakshatra Devatas. For what purpose? What did they see in the UttaraShada Nakshatra to get married? So that they can come along with that. Because those Nakshatra Devatas, the girls, daughters of Daksha Prajapati, are Shubhraha. So the word Shubhra, in the popular conversation we say which is clean. But here the Vedic word Shubhra means Shubham Rati iti Shubhra. That means which brings auspiciousness and good. Then they are not only Shubhra, but they are also Kanya. Kanya means those who are shining lustrous. So the meaning of Kanya is not the popularly interpreted as a virgin girl. Actually, Kanya means one who has got shining, skanti yukta, lustrous girl. Then there can be a old Kanya also. So therefore, to clarify, the mantra says, Yuvatayaha, they are also youthful. So they are youthful, they are Kanyas, they are Shubhras. That's also not enough. They also have to be beautiful to look at. So they are Supeshasaha. All right, you have a very beautiful, youthful, shining, lustrous, auspicious looking girl. Suppose she is not able to do anything at all. She is absolutely inefficient. Then also that is not desirable. So the mantra says, Karma Kritaha. They are capable in executing all the tasks that are assigned to them. So what kind of tasks? All right, they may perfectly execute all the tasks, but those tasks, some may be good for everybody and some may not be as good for everybody. So they choose to efficiently discharge their duties for Sukritaha, who do good only. And that is also not enough. Because what happens if in their application of their ability, formidable forces come and prevent them from doing it? They must have the strength to oppose and fight those difficult situations also. So they are Viryavatihi, that means who can actually deliver excellent things flawlessly by destroying whatever opposition that comes to their sukrita. So you can see Vishvedevas inhering in the UttaraShada Nakshatra, and those Nakshatra girls are Shubhraha, Kanyaha, Yuvatayaha, Supeshasaha, Karmakritaha, Sukritaha, Viryavatihi. So this is the standard of getting prosperity and plenty. It is because of this ability the nakshatra actually pours rains. There is also an interesting understanding that while Vishvedevatas are the male principles, Vishvedevatas are the ones who cause the potential of good rains, crops and wealth. It has to be delivered by a female. The generative quality of the female. And therefore, Vishvedevas actually, by taking our harvest, will inspire their spouse, their wife, and the Nakshatra Devatas who are Shubhra, Kanya, Yuvatayaha, Supeshataha, Sukritaha, Viryavatihi, they will actually brought extraordinary, excellent and wonderful boons to us by offering this yajna. So that is the meaning of the UttaraShada mantra. Then with that, we will conclude with Shanti mantra. Any of you can please chant.